The internal IT organization is not the only game in town anymore. You have developers that are getting extra capacity at sites like Amazon Web Services. You have sales management and salespeople that are getting CRM tools from companies like Salesforce.com. The business expects IT to be as efficient and agile as cloud service providers are today. On the other hand, IT needs the same steady cadence in place that they have today in their current IT systems. Well, what we're seeing today are a couple of different approaches depending on the type of company and industry. Many companies are taking an evolutionary approach. They are looking to deliver more dynamic services to the business by extending things like virtualization, automation, as well as standardization strategies. In some cases, though, organizations are interested in taking a more revolutionary approach. If they have this freedom or pressure to deliver, they look for some innovative technologies that can help them take a different approach. They're looking at more turnkey platforms like 3Terra, for example. This allows customers to simplify the steps and get a private cloud up and running in less than a month. Companies are facing many different challenges. Either processes aren't standardized enough, or automation isn't advanced enough, or the business units just aren't ready to share the same infrastructure. These issues can take time to work through. In the meantime, there's an entirely different way that companies can proceed, the so-called revolutionary approach. The best candidates for this approach are greenfield applications or those projects where the business and IT are equally motivated to get the project out the door as quickly as possible. This is where a platform like 3Terra can help companies get some quick experience working with cloud and see for themselves the efficiency and agility that cloud can deliver. Well, this is a very interesting market segment. Service providers and MSPs are jumping into cloud computing. It's really a land grab opportunity right now, as new competitors and new business models are fastly emerging. We're looking at a shift that is reshaping the hosting and data center markets for decades to come. But the window of opportunity for staking out territory and gaining market share is closing rapidly. Right now, it's all about agility. You've got to roll out new services and onboard new customers as quickly as you possibly can. The focus needs to be on time to market, not perfection. You can refine and perfect after you've staked out your territory. Service providers can get the most out of cloud by partnering with us to provide services to help them create new revenue streams. We help them bring new cloud services to market much faster today. Our 3Terra product, for example, can help service providers replicate a cloud service in new locations easily and quickly scale up and down capacity in response to customer demand. We also offer monitoring solutions like NIMsoft that enable you to provide value-added services and onboard new customers quickly. CA's goal is to help customers use cloud computing as a new way of operating IT in the most practical way possible. That's going to be different for each enterprise and service provider alike. That's part of what cloud is all about, making the right choice for your business. CA Technologies is here to help you make those choices.